So it is a 2.1 channel amplifier, TPS 3116, 200 watt 2.1 channel, and I'm going to pair this subwoofer with the speaker. It is a 50 watt subwoofer from Philips, and I'm using this 4 ohm drivers, 10 watt for the mid-range, and I'm using this tweeters for the high frequency response, and to improve the low frequency response I'm using some good quality base radiators. So we have already talked about this amplifier, and here we have an boost converter which can boost this battery pack's voltage into 20 volts so that we can run the amplifier efficiently. And here we have an Bluetooth module. It's the Bluetooth version 5.0, and here we have a small circuit which can trigger the 12 volt out of the quick chargers so that we can charge these batteries.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life alone.